Ayan guys, my husband is cooking French toast. And I'm eating this French toast outside. So I have here maple syrup. And okay, we're putting maple syrup. Did you put some sugar in the
No,
egg milk mixture, honey? No?
never. Only cannelle.
Only cannelle? Cinnamon powder?
Uh,
Maybe you should try to use the whipping cream you add in the mixture. Egg whipping cream.
Patay.
We will try. I think that's good already. And knife. Okay. And cover. I will put powdered sugar. Yeah, putting powdered sugar. Yeah, lots. Mine also, you put.
Oh,
Tu n'as pas fait un café pour moi.
no.
C'est tout? Only that, okay. Je vais préparer du café. The birds singing. Actually, guys, it's raining last night. And check our blueberry plant. Hey, more flowers this year. Yeah. This is poiro leeks and onion. And I have some kale who survive from winter. Now she make flower, the kale plant. And this one is celery plant. Survive 1, 2, 3 plant of celery. And these are the bok choy. Yeah, I will just let this grow here to make there's a earthworm will eat. And when she make flower first, it's better because the bees are liking the flower of the bok choy. So our daffodils are done already, and this one is left. That's why in the park, this one and tulips and daffodils are mixed together because it's not growing at the same time. It's not blooming at the same time. So usually this one is the last still blooming. Check that. Check that cut. Check that cut. And check my asparagus plant. We cooked last night. Check them. This one is tall already. Later I will harvest this one. This one I will harvest. It's more okay to harvest. And yeah, some are thin. This one is big. I will harvest later. This one also. Check that. This one it's little. I let this one grow. It's like only this area, guys. I plant 3 years ago the asparagus. It's not a lot because here I plant inside last year herbs. But I take the herbs now. The herbs is here. The mint leaves. The mint coming grass now. Yeah. And check the mints are here. The mints. I cannot remove everything. Anyway, it's good. Sometimes you want to do mojitos. There you still have mints in the garden. Check, that's the mints. Mint leaf. Check. This one I harvest yesterday. Now the another one. Oh, this one. Here, this, because some nights last week it's frozen, so we miss a lot. I did not put cover. Yeah, check. Here, this one also. We will cut that one. Here I remove. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Only 8. Yeah, 8 plants. I plant actually only 8. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 7 plants. And only this year we had a big already like this. Last year it was, the first year it's like this, very thin. The second year like this. Yeah. So it's good, the long wait is good for eating asparagus, planting asparagus. Yeah, that's our garlic. Because here the compost, I'm putting the compost from the kitchen. Check, this one is apple. The apple seeds are growing. It's easy. You just remove, and that's the compost. We plant our tomatoes in the side, and yeah, all the compost you put direct in the garden. You have a big, check the, these are all compost. Garlic, no, I did not put any fertilizer, bought fertilizer, just compost from the kitchen. And the grass clippings, grass cuttings, the leaves, the leaves, these leaves from autumn, I keep it, and that's it. Now my onions are starting to grow. I plant onions here because I don't have space anymore. Now this is the onions. Onions are starting to grow. And this one is flower. I forgot to, there are another plant here. I did not see this one, because when autumn this plant is already dead, so I did not see if there's in this area, because this one having lots of babies already. I transfer in the other garden the moment, because we're changing the, normally here in this hole we plant the roses, one rose, climbing rose, and I plant now in front of the house, because as you can see now, that's what happened. We're buying a spa, so spa is there, little space only, spa table and barbecue, that's it, and the swimming pool. Yeah, and I did not yet plant my dahlias. Maybe in this hole I will put the dahlias. Yeah. So I will eat again. I will eat now before the rain start to fall again, because check, it was raining. So we're cooking, guys. I just fried the pot, and the reason why we're fat, because of dessert food. This is blueberry pie, and I have here asparagus. We'll cut this one, and this one is the asparagus from our garden. Check, there's little and big. Yeah, so we will fry this one. So that's it, our meal for tonight, our first harvest of asparagus from our garden. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. It's too much hot outside, so the leaves are burned. But it's fine because the new leaves are more stronger. The old leaves, that one, it's burned because the leaves are like baby. But this one, the new leaves, this one, it's not born because it's more stronger. They already adapt to the weather outside, and our and she start to make flower already. That one, yes. So in June, more flowers. I hope so. Yeah, she's starting. Yeah, some are starting to have this little. This one is the flower. Yeah, that's the flower. Yes, so happy. So now they are adapt. We put inside because tomorrow it will rain like all day. It's 90%. Um, the forecast, the weather forecast, it's 90% rain tomorrow. So we put inside because it's full moon tonight. And it's full moon in May. It's not. We don't know. Maybe it will. The temperature drops. So I don't want this all the plants will become damaged. So put inside. Yeah. Or ampalaya. I should plant this what's this? Broccoli, but no, I decide not yet to put outside. I know she can survive, but I don't want to make her suffer. When we damage the plant like this, it takes time to recover. So we better um, put inside the house, not yet plant during May because the weather are not yet good for them. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Glory, same as my Facebook name. Search there in YouTube. Thank you, and God bless us all.